Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Grate. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. This ice cream is melting. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a circle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Toast. Let's toast some bread in the toaster. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between two plates. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Boil. The water is boiling on the stove. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Saute. Saute the onion for 2 minutes. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.